Welcome to Low-Key PD. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you what to expect to see when you go to Google Tasks. Now, the way I got to this page was I just typed in tasks.google.com and it took me to the Tasks homepage, but you'll notice in the URL it still says calendar.google.com. That's because Tasks was designed to work and integrate with Google Calendar. It's basically like Google Keep, only for tasks that are time sensitive, need to be scheduled, and fit into your day. So it is really nice that it integrates directly with Google Calendar. Today I'm going to focus on the main menu on the left hand side. You have the big Create button. If you want to create a new task, you can do that here. You can choose what you want to see. Do you want to see all your tasks or just the starred tasks? Starred tasks would be tasks that are very important. Perhaps their due date is coming up very soon and you want to focus more of your attention on those. But if you click on this, it will only show starred tasks. And then you also have different lists. The lists group different tasks together. So if you have a significant project and that project would require multiple tasks to get completed, you could name the list after the project and then under that list name add the different tasks that have to get done. And once you have lists, you can decide which lists you want to show. They would all be in little checkboxes over here, so if you want to see multiple lists you can do that. Otherwise, if you want to focus your attention on just one list, you can just select that one list. Or if you want to create a new list, you can also do that in the main menu. Just remember that the new list will be a list of different tasks. It's not creating a task that you're doing when you click on this. It's creating a new list, and you're going to add tasks to that later.